video, we'll talk about writing equations and inequalities. First, the vocabulary. An equation is a mathematical sentence formed by placing the symbol equals between two expressions. An inequality is a mathematical sentence formed by placing one of the symbols greater than, less than, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to between expressions. Open sentence, an inequality or equation that contains an algebraic expression. Now the symbols. Equal means equal to, and equal sign with a slash through it means not equal to. An open, this symbol means less than, the next symbol means less than or equal to. We have greater than or greater than or equal to. Taking note when we say less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, there is a line underneath the symbol. Example 1. The difference of 3 times a number in x is 15. All we are doing is writing our inequality, or equations rather. So for A, for part A, we are writing the difference of 3 times the number k. So 3k minus 7 equals 15. The 3 times a number k. That's your first piece. The difference is subtraction sign. 7. Your is your equal sign. And then 15. Part B. The product of 9 and the number n is at least 27. So we'll highlight the product of a number 9, the product of 9 and a number n. So that's just saying 9n is at least, so it could be greater than, or could be less than, or could be equal to. So we'll say greater than or equal to 27. And we'll highlight the greater than or equal to sign in green and the 27 in blue, and we're done. C. A number y is no less than 7 and no more than 17. So that y we'll put in the middle. So y is no less than 7 and no more than 17. So 7 will have to be at the bottom, so it's no less than 7 and no more than 17. And we'll highlight our 7 in yellow. We'll highlight our 17 in green. And we are done interpreting those equations. Example 2. Check whether 4 is a solution of the equation or inequality. So what we have to do is plug in 4 to see if it's true or false. So I'm going to say 7 minus 2 parentheses 4 equals negative 1. 7 times 2 minus 4 is 8. So 7 minus 8 equals negative 1. So that's true. So it is a solution. Then we do the same trick for 5. 5 times 4 minus 3 equals 15. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 minus 3 equals, does not equal, 20 minus 3 is 17, which does not equal 15. So that's false, so it's not a solution. Then we try the next one. 2 times 4 plus 7 is greater than 20. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 7, which is 15, which is not greater than or equal to 20, so that is false. Then we try the last one. 3 plus 5 times 4 is less than or equal to 25. 3 plus 5 times 4 is 20, is less than or equal to 25. And 3 plus 20 is 23. And 23 is less than 25, so that is true. And we are done example 2. Example 3. Use mental math to solve an equation. Part A, x plus 5 equals 10. We want to think what number plus 5 gives me 10? That should be 5. So we just say 5 plus 5 equals 10, and that's true. Part B, 16 minus y equals 4. You want to think 16 minus what number gives you 4? That should be 12. And 16 minus 12 does equal 4, which is true. Part C, 7n equals 49. We want to think 7 times what number equals 49? That should be 7. And 7 times 7 equals 49, which is true. And then D. D over 5 equals 11. You want to think what number divided by 5 is 11. And that should be 55. And 55 divided 5 does equal 11. And we're done with example 3. Example 4. The last time you and 3 friends went to a mountain bike park, you got a coupon for $15 off and paid $25 for 4 tickets. What is the regular price of 5 tickets? If you pay the regular price this time and share it equally, how much does each person pay? So first thing we're going to do is we're going to do P, which is the price of the tickets minus the $15 off equals 25. So add 15 to both sides. We have P equals 40, and this is the price of 4 tickets. Next, we want to find the price per person. So we're going to take the 40 and divide it by 4, which gives me $10 per ticket. And we want to know how much it will cost for 5 people. So for 5 people, we just do 5 times 10. This gives me $50. And each person, again, is paying $10 per ticket. So the cost for 5 people is $50. And we are done with the mountain biking question. Example 5. A basketball player scored 360 points last year. If the player plays 20 games this year, will an average of 25 points per game be enough to beat last year's total? So first we want to say that we want to separate inequalities. So we have 360 and he's playing 20 games. So say 20G. We want to know that, we want to see if that's bigger than 360. To figure that out, we're going to do 20, plug in 25 for the points per game, and see if that's greater than 360. And 20 times 25 is 500. which is greater than 360, so he will beat last year's score. Years total. And we are done.